Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Nurosym device. So you should purchase this product or not, and what are the main problems why you should not purchase this product. Okay, so in this video we will cover each and every information who should purchase or who should not purchase this product. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all we will talk about this brand. This brand is a very popular brand, and this brand is very unique brand, and they are selling this device. By using this device you can get lots of benefits related to your mind, related to your nerve, related to your you can say like sleeping disorders. So there are lots of benefits they have mentioned on their website. Okay, but the main thing I want to tell you, like if you have any kind of condition related to this, because when you visit on their website you will find that they have like medical disclaimer. Nurosym might not be right for you. Before ordering, be sure the read about intended use, warning, precautions and contradictions. You should read their contradiction section. They have mentioned each and everything on their website, like user who have undergone surgeries, they should not use this product, and the pregnant women, they should not use this product. There are lots of information provided, like if you have any kind of heart attack recently within 5 years, you should not try this product. So there are lots of, you can say, information they have provided. Now let's talk about this device. If we talk about like this device send electrical impulse to your brain. So is this kind of devices really work? Yes, answer is yes. These kind of devices really help in, you can say like providing good kind of, you can say like, signals to your brain, and your brain will perform very well after using these kind of devices. Okay, so if we talk about you should purchase this product or not, so my dear friends, when we visiting on, you can say like Trustpilot, there are some reviews also listed on Trustpilot, like they have like 74% is positive reviews and 6% is negative reviews, and some negative reviews are complaining about like their product is not working after using a short period of time, or you can say like after using some period of time their product is not working and customer support is not good. Okay, so we can say like there is a issue in some devices, like after using a period of, you can say like this you can say like device, in starting they will get some benefits, and after that they have not getting any kind of benefits, or their device is not working, and there are lots of issues. You should read all the reviews on Trustpilot. But if we talk about it's a legit thing or not, yes, it's a legit product. Yes, you can try the product if you have lots of money. Okay, but make sure you need to consult with their customer support team, you need to contact with the customer support team, you need to tell your health conditions if you have any. Okay, so if we talk about like other things, the other thing is like you need to contact with the customer support team related to return and refund issues, because on Trustpilot, when you read all the reviews on Trustpilot, you will find there are lots of issues related to like customer service team, related to money back guarantee, related to like this customer is complaining like after using 7 months there is no current from the earpiece. It means the product is not working after 7 months. So in this case what you can do, because as you know the costing is very high, and if the product is damaged after 6 months or 3 months or 2 months, then your money will be gone. And in that case what you will do, so you need to ask these type of questions. Okay, so if you have any experience with this product, you can also share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment will helpful for lots of people also. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and this is the information only. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Thank you.